I don't know why you're bringing me here. I told you I don't want a condo.
What don't you want about a condo? What don't you like?
I want my outdoor living space.
But did you see this one? Look, you've got a beautiful deck and yard space.
Because I want to be able to have my own pets here.
You can. In this one, I've already shown you the yard. You can have as big of a dog as you want, whatever pets you want to have.
Okay, well what about renovations?
Let me show you. You can renovate in condos. You can paint, you can do different things with the walls and make features. And even in this one, they've renovated the kitchen. So this has actually already been done for you.
No, Nicole, there's nothing to do in condos.
There's so much to do in condos. Did you know that this place has a pool? We've got tennis courts, there's a clubhouse, and there's a beautiful pond and walking paths.
What about ensuite laundry? I don't want to have to go somewhere else to do my laundry.
Look at this. We have ensuite laundry and extra storage.
Okay.
I know.
What about maintenance?
Oh, you're gonna love that, right? Because you don't have to do the maintenance here. Somebody else is gonna be mowing and somebody else is gonna be shoveling the snow.
Get out.
Yes, you don't shovel snow. There you go. See, condos are amazing.
Yeah, so I did notice when we were driving here, there were a lot of stores nearby, grocery stores.
Yes, there is so much close by. You've got a Superstore within like a couple-minute walk. You've got Stella's.
I saw Yoga Public.
And Keniston Wine Market.
Yes.
Everything is within walking distance here. It's amazing. I really think that the lifestyle and the location really makes condo life in this condo for you.
Yeah. Maybe condo living is for me after all.